Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Messages and going straight to Recently Deleted so you don't waste time. Once there, scan the list. iOS stores deleted threads for 30 days, which explains why you can still recover them. Tap a thread to preview messages, then use Recover to move content back to your inbox. Make sure to act promptly, because after 30 days the system purges them and recovery becomes far harder, often impossible without backups. If Recently Deleted is empty, you can restore a deleted message by using an iCloud backup that predates the deletion. First, check backup timestamps in iCloud settings so you know which backup contains the messages. Once confirmed, you must erase the iPhone and restore that backup during setup. This replaces current data, so backup anything new first. Once done, messages will be restored from the backup, and your deleted texts should. If you use Messages on a Mac, check it now because Macs sometimes retain copies after iPhone deletion. Syncing differences explain why. If that fails, a reputable recovery tool can scan backups or device storage, but use one that exports data rather than forcing writes, since additional writes reduce recovery odds. Finally, if nothing works, contact Apple support for guidance, and make sure to stop using the phone extensively to prevent overwriting recoverable data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.